Hello students, how are you? Today my video is for 8th class from the book Buzzword. Students, as you remember, I have taught you the poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. ये मैंने आप लोगों को पोएम पढ़ाई थी. आप लोगों को याद होगा कि इसमें एक पोएट जो है एक एस्ट्रोनॉमर को सुनता है तो उसे वो काफ़ी बोरिंग महसूस करता है, टायर्ड और सिक होके वो बाहर चला जाता है उस लेक्चर रूम से और बाहर जाके स्टार्स की तरफ साइलेंटली देखने लगता है. उसे बाद में एहसास होता है कि इसका जो है रियल वर्ल्ड से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, रियल वर्ल्ड से कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं है. तो ये मैंने आप लोगों को पोएम पढ़ाई थी. तो इसी पोएम के आज मैं आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कराऊंगी. आई होप यू हैव रिटन द वर्ड मीनिंग्स एंड ड्रॉन अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट. I am giving you my personal number. I am writing it at the top 7827 113064. You have to learn this poem, make a video and send it to me on my personal number. You can also send it in the group itself. Now I request you to take out the question answers which is given on page number 28. What is speaker listening to? Speaker क्या सुन रहा है? Answer to this question is the speaker is listening to the astronomer who is calculating the movements of the star. What does the astronomer use to lecture? How does the audience react to the lecture? The astronomer used to lecture the audience about the stars by making charts, diagrams. Then he tells the audience to add, divide or to calculate them. The audience listened to the astronomer with a great applause. Why do you think the speaker became tired and sick listening to the lecture? As the poet was feeling very boring when the lecture was going on, he feels tiring and sick about the lecture. Looked up in the perfect silence at the star. Why does the speaker do this? As the poet was not getting any connection about the subject of the lecture and between the stars, so he went outside and looked silently towards the stars. Question number 5. How does the poem serve to highlight the difference between experience and knowledge? When the poet says about the stars and tells the audience to believe them, but the reality is far away, as people believe in stars and stop working sometimes, but the fact is that if we want to live, we have to work. B part, first question. What according to the speaker is the best way to understand the nature? The best way to understand about the nature is to be realistic and learn from the academic learning. We should not spoil the nature by the wrongdoings. Question number 3. Does the speaker respect learned astronomer? Explain your views. No, the speaker does not respect the learned astronomer as he finds the lecture of the astronomer very boring and doesn't want to hear him. What do you think the speaker's thoughts were about when he looked up at the stars? When the speaker looked upon the stars silently, he felt no connection between the stars and the lecture of the astronomer. So this was the question answers that you have to do in your notebooks. Now I am going to tell you the summary of the poem. First there is a short introduction about the poem and then there will be a summary of the poem. The poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer is written by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet tells us about the experience of an astronomer. An astronomer is a person who tells us about the future. This poem also tells us about the difference between academic and the experimental learning. In this poem, the poet listened to an astronomer who is giving some lecture with proofs, diagrams, figures, etc. The poet finds the lecture boring, but the other audience sitting in the room finds it interesting and gave a huge round of applause to the astronomer. The poet is now feeling tired and sick, and he went out of the lecture room and wandered here and there thinking something. He looked up in the sky and watched the stars silently. He noticed that there was no connection between the stars and the lecture of the astronomer. In the same manner, what we learn in the school is far beyond the reality. A person learns and understands only when he experiences the reality. The academic studies is the medium to learn and face every experience of life. So students, this is all for now, and in my next video I will teach you another chapter of the same book. Till then you have to do the question answer summary of this chapter and make it clear. Do it very nicely, neatly in your notebooks, and maintain your health and hygiene very nicely while staying at home. Staying safe. Bye for now.